A new WRAL News poll tonight is about you. We asked voters what's most important to them. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie is here tonight with the results you will only see on WRAL. Laura?
Geraldine, every election season, politicians love to tell us what they think the voters care the most about. We decided we'd ask the voters, you yourselves, that question in our statewide poll. Depending on your political party, the answers might surprise you. When we asked voters what issues they care about in this election, we got a wide variety of answers.
What I'm looking for when I'm voting is for politicians who care about education and equality.
I'm looking to protect women's rights. I'm looking to protect voting rights.
Healthcare, just like healthcare policies.
Policies that make it easy for people to run businesses.
So we put that question to nearly 600 likely voters in our latest WRAL News poll, asking them to rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how important key issues are to them in this election. The issues were abortion, crime and public safety, economy, education, environment, healthcare, immigration, national security, gun rights and control, and mental health. Overall, for voters across the political spectrum, there was a tie for the top issue between the economy and health care. Crime and public safety came in next, and just behind that, national security and international conflicts. But when you dig deeper into what voters in different parties care about, you get very different answers.
And the amount of inflation is just something that most of us have not seen in our lifetimes just over the last 24 months. But that seems to be the overarching issue, that and the border.
House Speaker Tim Moore is correct if we're talking about Republican voters. Our poll found their top issue is a tie between the economy and immigration. Second place, crime and public safety, followed by national security and international conflicts. On the other side of the aisle, it's a very different story.
I passed a law that lowers prescription drug prices, caps insulin at $35 a month for seniors.
Healthcare was the #1 issue for Democratic voters in our poll. Gun rights and gun control were in second place, and the environment was third. Tomorrow we'll release the latest results from the WRAL News poll, focusing on how North Carolinians are feeling about these big issues today compared to years past. Gerald?
Thank you, Laura. With nearly 8 months left before the 2024 Election Day, we want to let you know that WRAL is dedicated not just to covering the candidates, but to focus on the issues that matter to you. We'll use insight from this poll to take your questions and concerns to the people vying to represent you. WRAL News wants to better inform and empower voters in both local and national elections, focusing on deeper coverage of candidates' policies, proposals, and solutions around the issues important to you. It will help us do that. The most important part of all of this is you. Email voterfeedback@wral.com with your questions, ideas, and thoughts that you want us to pursue.